What is going on, sneaker fiends? It's your host with the most, Chris G, aka Fresh Prince of Js, coming at you with a new unboxing video today. Today is a shoe that I've been waiting for a while. I've been actually wanting to cop these for a minute. So let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Got it right here in this big box. Alright, let me go ahead and get my trusty handy dandy knife. I'ma cut your ass. And yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into this video. While I'm taking the time to unbox this video, how's your guys' life? How are you living? How's it going? It's been a hot minute. All these negativity and bad situations in the world going on right now. How are you guys feeling? How you guys looking, man? Make sure you guys staying safe out there. It's a crazy world we live in right now, man. And, you know, you just gotta try your hardest to be safe in this current position, man. So right ahead, got that box open. Let's get that bird's eye view. Got a Jordan Jumpman box right there. Well packaged pair of shoes. So good job out there, seller. You know who you are. Got that packaging paper. Wow, well packaged shoe. Congratulations. Gotta always like that. Go ahead and get that. You guys can see that, size 12. Air Jordan 6 Retro Black Infrared, size 12. Let's go ahead and open that box. And right away, sorry about that, guys. My battery died. But lucky I got another battery pack. But let's go ahead and get that bird eye view of the shoes. Alright, man. And right away, I'm greeted with many blessings. As you can see, the guy included a receipt from Champs. Always gotta love when you get that receipt. Although the receipt may not always verify the authenticity of the shoe, because I've seen a lot of bogus receipts. But it's always just a nice thing to see. Go ahead and check it out. Got that garbage bag, that's what I call it. Tissue paper in there. Ooh, man, these look cleaner in person. Go ahead and get the other one out. And here you have it. Let me go ahead and make this presentable. There you have it, guys. Air Jordan Infrared 6s. Oh man, these are just a classic shoe. I've been wanting these for a hot minute. As you can see, or maybe not see, depending on the lighting. But they have that Nike Air in the back. Trust me, it's there. I'm looking at it. Always a lovely thing to see there. Just a clean shoe. Go ahead and check the bottom. They are VNDS. They were worn once, but I'm not complaining. The price I got for these bad boys, I can't complain. Plus, I think that bottom there I can make icy anyway. Clean up a little bit. Ooh, got that tenderoni smell. Yep, it's there, man. Got the lace lock, got the Nike on the lace lock there. Other side, got the Jumpman, and just overall clean shoe, man. I'm super pumped for this purchase and happy I got it for the price I did. And there you have it, guys. Another unboxing. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what you think. What's your opinion on the Air Jordan 6 Retro Infrareds? Do you like them? Are they bricks? Just let me know how you feel. Also, make sure you guys are being safe out there. Like I said, it's a crazy world out there, man. Go ahead and also hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. Thank you guys for rocking with me. Thanks for supporting me. For the very few followers that I got, and hopefully soon to be more. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Try to come at you with a new video each week or twice a week. So with that being said, thank you guys. Fresh Prince of J's, I'm out. Bye.